Tomo Card is designed for people who want a way to manage spending and build financial habits without relying on a traditional credit check process. By the end, you'll know what Tomo Card does, who it may be useful for, and what to look at before deciding if it fits your situation. Well, Tomo Card works differently from a standard credit card because it focuses on your financial information and spending behavior, rather than only using a traditional credit history review. That difference matters most for people who are new to credit or have limited credit history. A traditional credit card application often depends heavily on past borrowing records, while alternative financial products may use different methods to evaluate users. The main question is whether Tomo Card helps you solve your specific problem. If your goal is building better money habits, the value comes from how you use the account, how you manage payments, and whether the product fits your daily spending. Before signing up, check the current Tomo Card requirements, account details, fees, and terms. Financial products can change over time, so the latest information matters more than older reviews. You should also compare Tomo Card with other options available for building credit or managing money. Look at what each product requires, what features it provides, and whether those features match your goals. A card designed for people with limited credit history can be helpful, but it does not replace responsible money management. Your financial progress depends on how consistently you track spending, avoid problems, and follow the account rules. Tomo Card may make sense for someone looking for a different path into financial tools, and who wants a product built around alternative approval methods. It may not be the best fit for someone who already has access to credit cards with features that better match their needs. The safest way to decide is to look at your current financial situation first. Know why you want the card, understand the terms, and make sure the product supports the habits you are trying to build. So, is Tomo Card actually legit in 2026? It can be a legitimate option for people who want an alternative way to access a financial product, but the right choice depends on the current terms and your personal goals. Before applying, review the latest details and compare Tomo Card with other beginner-friendly options. If this helped you understand how Tomo Card works, like the video, and subscribe for more simple reviews of financial products.